Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Apple ID login problems. Step by step, help step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Apple ID email or phone number and check for typing mistakes. Next, make sure caps lock is off and your password is entered exactly as you created it. Then, check your internet connection by opening a website or streaming a short video. After that, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. Now, set date and time to automatic by going to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enabling Set Automatically. Next, restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to clear temporary glitches. Then, check Apple system status in a browser and confirm Apple ID services are not down. After that, update your device to the latest iOS, iPadOS, macOS, or Windows version available. Now, try signing in on another Apple device or at Apple.com to confirm the account works. If you forgot the password, go to I Forgot Apple.com and follow the reset instructions. When prompted, choose a trusted device, trusted phone number, or email option to verify your identity. Then, create a strong new password and write it down in a secure place or save it in a password manager. Next, return to Settings and try signing in again with the new password. If you see a verification code, make sure you enter it quickly before it expires. If you are not receiving codes, check that your phone number is correct and your signal is strong. Then, look in your email spam or junk folder for Apple verification messages. Next, disable VPN or proxy settings temporarily because they can block Apple sign-in. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, VPN, and turn it off if it is enabled. On Mac, go to System Settings, Network, and disconnect any VPN profiles you are using. If you are stuck on verification failed, sign out of other devices and try again after a few minutes. If you cannot sign out, restart the device and attempt the sign-in process again from Settings. If you see Apple ID locked or security reasons, unlock the account at I Forgot Apple.com. If you cannot connect to iTunes Store or App Store, open Settings, tap your name, and check payment and shipping details. Then, confirm your country or region matches your current location in Media and Purchases settings. Next, remove and re-add your Apple ID by signing out in Settings, restarting, and signing back in carefully. If the device is managed by a school or company, confirm there are no MDM restrictions blocking Apple ID login. If you still cannot log in, contact Apple support and provide the exact error message and your device model. Finally, keep your trusted phone number updated so future sign-ins and recovery are fast and easy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.